This is shocking. A possible Jasmy credit card release is in development, cites Binano, to which he tweeted, stating, "Dear Hera, the Jasmy CFO, is this part of the Jasmy plan? Because that's the kind of technology that could develop by Mr. Satu, Norta, and Sai. Toshiba are indeed customers or partners." There's a lot of questions right now going on between whether Toshiba is going to be working with Jasmy as well, and whether the Jasmy credit card is officially going to release using the Jasmy coin or not. And so, as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and roll you guys a quick video clip, which I think is crucial before we jump into our daily market update. And I want to also quickly announce that I'm hosting the Jasmy giveaway. Just simply go ahead and tap the like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on, and share this video to enter the giveaway, and let's get right into it.
東芝のビスケイドカード。1枚でカードの所有物認証と指紋の生体認証、2つの認証が可能。セキュアなエリアへの入退出管理では、ビスケイドカードに ID と指紋情報を事前に登録。その後はビスケイドカードでいつでも簡単に本人確認ができます。入退出管理だけではなく、例えばマンションの宅配ボックスで、さらにはチケットの確認にも、パソコンやタブレットのログオンにも、セキュアな指紋認証をもっと手軽に。ビスケイドカード。
Following this fantastic news come another partnership with Jasmine Labs, and this time Canna Labs, a Web3 gaming company that has been absolutely exploding in traffic lately. Now, of course, this partnership is quite substantial, and it feels like things are moving a lot faster with Jasmine's MGT. Also, Canna Labs just became the third regular member of the GCBA.org, which is actually the Japanese Crypto Asset Blockchain Association. Here's the partnership in and of itself. In a tweet here by Canna Labs stating, "Exciting news, Canna Labs and Jasmine Labs are pleased to announce a strategic partnership. Together we will work to revolutionize the data exchange and IoT, or Internet of Technology space, as we take a bigger step towards expanding our presence in the Japanese market." This also connected to a continuation of a full-scale article, and said that this strategic partnership will reshape the landscape of data exchange and blockchain infrastructure, and the collaboration will primarily focus on the participation of Jasmy Labs as an infrastructure partner on Canna Labs platform SDK. Both parties are committed to open and productive discussions to determine the specifics of this cooperation, including compensation, rights, obligations, and investment related to the role of Jasmy Labs as an infrastructure partner. Now, you guys can continue on reading this, and I'll pause the clip for you guys if you guys want to, go ahead and just pause the video and continue watching. But the point here is that lately there's been a massive influx in partnerships with Jasmine Labs, and Jasmine has really been focusing on pumping up the value of not only their company, but the utility and use case of their coin, the Jasmy coin. But there's a lot to discuss in today's video. But we start off with the value of Jasmy actually down about 0.78%. The market cap is actually down about 0.76%, sitting at 176 million. And when looking at the volume, actually skyrocketing, 61% is a skyrocket type of volume. When looking at the actual typical transaction volume for Jasmy, up approximately 34.6 million. So that's what we're looking at right now, transaction volume wise. Looking at the volume to market ratio is currently at 19.33%, which is actually quite decent. We are seeing, the market ratio kind of increasing. Of course, the lower I think it is, the better. The circulating supply is still sitting at 48.9 billion with a total supply of 50 billion. So overall, you guys have very interesting things going on. So over the last couple of days, when looking at the market sentiment, when looking at what is actually going on with Jasmy, we've seen a lot of partnerships. Jasmine Labs partnering with Pi Labs. Now Jasmine Labs is partnering with another Canna Labs, and we also seen a possible rumor that Jasmine might partner with the Rencom Network. Look at the market sentiment. I'm bullish on Jasmy, I'm bullish on Jasmy, I'm bullish on Jasmy. Everybody is bullish on Jasmy. Big rocket to ready blast. I'm bullish on Jasmy. Retail and institutional investors are loading up now for the fourth quarter. And again, another bullish Jasmy situation. Now, of course, we are seeing Jasmy. We did talk about this on the daily. It is down, but on the weekly, it is still going the way it should, which is after a massive pump that occurred, it is going sideways. This is good because typically after a massive pump, you do have a retracement. In this case, we even have something better, which is it going sideways and not retreating back down. So this is the prime situation that we are in. Look at this in Jasmy. Like I said, the Jasmy price is actually up when looking at the charts here on the weekly, it's up about 6.56%. On the monthly, it's down about 7.4%. But in the last week, we're looking at it actually going upwards, and we've been telling you guys this all along that Jasmine looks to be trending upwards, and it did. In the last day, again, 0.6% down, but again, this is really irrelevant when looking on the large scheme of things. Now, along the lines, a lot of people have been speculating what Jasmine's price is going to be, and have been stating that there is bound to be a breakout. In this case, we have Randy, which said send it Jasmine, showing you guys the triangle where we are seeing higher highs and higher lows. And Jasmine is officially going to most likely do a 100x in the bull run. We've talked about how we expect that to happen. Not a shocker if Jasmine were to go back to its all-time high in this bull run, because it has use case. And there are not many coins that have the same use case as Jasmy. There is one, though, that I'm going to be announcing in this video, and that is the Rencom Network. And we've talked about them for some time now. The Rencom Network is a rentable asset company that only allows their renters to pay in their native token, RNT. And we've talked about rumors of a possible partnership between the Jasmy Foundation and the Rencom Network, and how if Jasmy coin, it becomes a second method of payment for the Rencom Network, other than their native token, RNT, they're prone to go up in value. In fact, in a small pilot program that the Rencom Network did on their own native token just recently, their coin RNT launched to over 3,000%. Something that typical people can't comprehend. Even me, when I first seen this massive price increase, I was shocked. But the reality is that the Rencom Network has real life use case, and that is that their renters are forced to buy RNT every single month, buy it from, the public, the retail, the exchanges, and then they have to transfer it over to their landlords, which would be the Rencom Network. Thus, the value is going to increase as the demand is always going up as more renters have to buy it, and the supply is decreasing as more renters own it, so the value of this coin skyrockets. Imagine with a very limited amount of their renters using RNT, we've seen a 3,000% increase. Now, imagine when they actually do it all across the globe. They are a multi-million-dollar company with assets all around the world in over 130 countries. Imagine the scale. I wouldn't be shocked if this coin goes up to possibly even $100. And honestly, even at $100, it would be cheap because they're having more renters use it. I don't know, man. I don't know what to say, but this coin is so blowing my mind. The amount of money that this coin is going to generate for their people that are buying the coin is insane. It's unfathomable. I did a lot of research within regards to it, and everything has come out very positive. They're also in talks with the Republic of Palau to implement RNT as an official rentable asset method of payment. So that is another shocking aspect that they have to offer. Thankfully, I've been able to partner with them, but not only have I partnered with them, I actually bought a humongous bag full of RNT because the potential for this coin is at least bare minimum 100x. Of course, I'm not telling you guys to buy. This is not financial or legal advice. I'm not a financial or legal advisor, but what I'm telling you guys is I personally own a ton of RNT. And if you don't want to buy RNT, I've been able to actually partner with the Rencom Network to give you guys free RNT. So even if you don't want to buy it, at least claim your free RNT as it's coming from the Mighty Crypto channel as a gift from me to you guys. Just simply head on to Twitter, which is going to be linked in my description, and message the Rencom Network that you came from the Mighty Crypto channel. Once you do that, automatically they will go ahead and send you your reward from me. That being said, claim your free RNT, guys. I think this coin is going to go to the moon, and even a small amount of XRP could make you an absolute ton of money. So really, it and Jasmy, so RNT and Jasmy, are really two coins that I've been looking at and that I see true potential in. I'm very excited for these two coins and see the true value in them, and I think these coins alone could make me a multimillionaire and you guys a multimillionaire. So I'm telling you guys this from a person to person. Definitely do your research on these two coins, Jasmine and RNT, and the potential for these coins are insane. At the end of the day, we're all trying to become rich together, which is why I'm telling you guys all this. And honestly, completely honesty right here, I'm telling you guys, I am so happy that I have you guys along this journey, and I really want us all to eventually meet up one day and, see each other and all be rich together. So again, like I said, these are two coins. It's my personal opinion, not financial advice. Thank you guys for watching your daily market update on Jasmy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.